Now we're going to turn to looking at the 5/7 chord in its three inversions. They're actually easier to handle than doing the root position 5/7 chord. Okay, they can't substitute it for it at the end of a phrase, but they work really well in the middle of the phrase or at the beginning when you're not trying to make it so conclusive. So first of all, the 5/6 chord. Let's play example 14-19 together. First in 4 parts, key of C, 5/7 to 1. This is a 5/6/5, first inversion. And in 3 parts, showing the basic voice leading, which actually is the same as what you already learned. The leading tone of the chord goes up and the 7th of the chord goes down, making that tritone. Okay? Now, let's talk about each one. This 5/6/5 chord is generally, the characteristic of it is that it's in a weak position in the phrase. So the example that's given here, 14-20, is part of a Mozart sonata where it starts out with a 1 chord, goes to 5/6/5 and back to 1. So it's as if the 5/6/5 continues over the feeling of the tonic. And here it is. So it prolongs the tonic. So again, 5/6/5, weak position in the phrase. How about the 5/4/3? That's where the 5th is in the bass. And it's often working like a 5/6/4, okay? It harmonizes the 2nd degree. Let's look at example 14-21. I want to play just the soprano first. The A flat is the 7th of the 5/7 chord, and the left hand, the bass, and E flat. And together, let's play just the 5/4/3 chord, and you can hear the D leading tone that's going to go up to the E. Okay? They could be reversed. The bass could be 1, root position, 5/4/3 up to 1/6. Here we go. So you can see how it's like a passing 6/4. It just has a 7th in it. Okay? And the third one is the 5/4/2. Well, that's where the 7th is on the bottom. And that makes it very interesting because you know the 7th has to resolve down. So let's look at 14-23. Could you play that with me? So you see the C on the 2nd chord. That's the 7th of the chord. It's a D7 chord with the C in the bass. And it resolves down. So what happens when it resolves down is it goes generally to 1. But it's going to go to the first inversion of the 1 chord. So that's the thing to remember about the 5/4/2 chord, is that it goes to a 1/6. Okay? So now let's just review this. What are the 3 characteristics of the 3 inversions? First of all, the 5/6/5, do you remember? It's in a weak position in the phrase. How about the 5/4/3? That's as a passing chord. I'll say like a passing 6/4. And the 5/4/2 goes to a 1/6. Okay? So there you have the 3 characteristics of the inversions of the 5/7 chord.